Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make sour brinjal or eggplant or tchoke wangun. Let me translate. Tchoke means sour or tangy and wangun means brinjal or eggplant in Kashmiri. The eggplants in Kashmiri cuisine are cooked in a very special and unique way. Basically deep fried eggplant chiseled in Kashmiri spices and overrun with tamarind sauce. These eggplants are fried in texture but not crisp. It's a bite of crisp looking yet soft eggplant laced with tamarind sauce. This appetizing and divine dish tastes marvelous. So let's get started. For making this splendid dish, I have taken around 5 to 6 eggplants. We have to slit them lengthwise in a way that stem should be intact like this into 4 slices. This is the traditional way of slicing eggplant for tchoke wangun. You can slit them otherwise also, but this is the traditional way. And around 1 cup of oil for frying the eggplant. And I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can take salt according to your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder. A pinch of garam masala. It's optional, you can skip it. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, that's also optional, you can just use garlic cloves. And 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a small stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom and 2 green cardamoms. And the main ingredient, tamarind. I have taken a bunch of tamarind. I have soaked it in water. We can use tamarind pulp or water, and substitute could be lemon or vinegar. Then I have blended it and strained it to a puree. Here is the strained and blended puree. Because I'm not using any onions, this will help me for the gravy. This will thicken the gravy. Now in a pan, I have taken around 1 cup of oil and added eggplant. We have to deep fry them on all sides like this. You can see they are deep fried. Now I'll remove them and turn off the flame and remove the excess oil from this pan and keep around 1 tablespoon of oil and heat up the 1 tablespoon of oil again and add cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom and cinnamon and saute them. If we add spices to very hot oil, they may burn. That's why we cool it down and then turn on the flame again. Then I'm adding ginger garlic paste and fry it nicely for a minute, and then add red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder and fennel seed powder. Mix all the spices nicely and then add a few teaspoons of tamarind puree so that the spices won't burn. Mix nicely, keep it on very low flame and then add whole of the tamarind puree or paste. Mix it and let it cook for a minute and then add eggplants. We need to be gentle with eggplant so that it doesn't fall off the stem. And then add water. I have added 1 cup of water. If you want, you can keep more gravy also. And I am adding salt and sprinkling with garam masala. Mix it nicely, cover it and let it cook for around 20 minutes. This dish can be made either dry or with gravy. So after 20 minutes, this is the thickness of gravy. At this stage, I'll turn off the flame and dish it out because we are going to eat it with rice. So this gravy we need. Here the super easy eggplant with a great twist of tamarind sauce is ready. It's a wonderful dish possessing exceptional taste of eggplant infused into tamarind sauce and Kashmiri spices. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and turn on the bell icon for notifications. Have a nice day.